guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a look at the New Balance Numeric 1010 in white and blue. Before we get into the review, guys, if you are new to our channel, remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest videos. Let's get into the review. And for those that don't know, the Numeric is New Balance's skate line, and this is like the first time that we've done any New Balance skating shoes. This is the first I've heard of it. I never knew that New Balance did any, and it's quite refreshing to see them make an entry into that kind of market. I mean, they've done it so well with New Balance basketball, obviously with Kawhi Leonard. It's dope that they're trying to get into skate. I mean, well, they are in skating, and these are Thiago Lepos's. I'm sorry if I butchered that name, but these are his sneakers. And Numeric 1010s in a US 8.5 to UK size 8, and it's European 42. Unfortunately, what I don't like about New Balance sneakers is that they don't have the colorway on the box, which I find it's a shame. It's nice to have, just so if you always have your sneakers out of the box and you're trying to look for that specific box to put it in, you might end up putting in the wrong box, but that's just me being weird and OCD. Anyway, let's get opening. And here it is, the Numeric. First look at these, I really like the look because they remind me of the like 90s runners. And in that, what I mean by that, I mean the colorways. You'll get like white and blue, yellow, you'll get a red, blue, majority of it being white. It's quite difficult to explain, but these give me that 90s feel to it. There's a lot of technology involved in these sneakers, which I will get into, but first we'll start with the outsole. And with this outsole, it's an all rubber cup outsole, and you can see the flex points there at the forefoot and one at the heel, and that little window that says the fuel cell is right there at the heel. Going along the midsole, so this midsole is a fresh foam midsole, and you can find that in the New Balance basketball line as well. What you have right there in the heel, so right there cushioning, other than the fresh foam, you'll find the fuel cell technology, and what that is for your explosive tricks that you're going to do on your boards that require a lot of propulsion, so you land them like properly and you can execute them well. The whole upper is made of leather and nylon textile outlays, so you have leather outlays there at the toe, and underneath that you can see the mesh. The heel is where it's a bit different. It reminds me of a Huarache. Essentially, it's a sock liner, and what is dope is that you've got the phantom fit at the heel, and that just makes it, your heel, well, essentially it just makes it fit even more snug. You can see it right there with the two like pads coming out in the inner. Running it off with the lacing system. It's a typical lace system across however you want to lace it. I mean, you can lace them straight lace if you wanted to, and padded, heavily padded tongue, which you'll usually find in a lot of skate sneakers. Obviously you'll find it in the Nike SB Dunks, and right there you've got the NB logo with Thiago Lepos, or Lepos, I don't know how to pronounce him, and with the 1010 numbering right there. Rounding off with the insole, so along with the phantom fit that's gonna support your heel, you've got a nice Off-Light insole, cushiony. It's one of the best. I mean, every sneaker from Adidas, Stan Smiths to these, they incorporate an Off-Light insole. I can't wait to try these on. I think this is a really dope nostalgic 90s colorway. You've got the signature New Balance logo N there in the medial and lateral sides. And what I really forgot to mention is that here it is right there on the side. You've got endurance. Come on, these are built for skating. You're doing these really cool tricks. You're going for huge stair gaps, and that's what the technology is for. That is what the fuel cell foam is for. That's what the fresh foam cushioning is for. It's like for the heavy impact, and well, the off-fly is for the comfort. I can't wait to try these on, give you a little feel to my first impressions of a New Balance skate sneaker. So here we go, let's do it. When it comes to the fit, guys, I do recommend, if you know your New Balance fit, go half a size up. For me, when it comes to like the 990s, I'm a 7.5. These are a half size up, and I'm glad that I got a half size up. I've been told many a times by many sales assistants, they recommend me get a pair of New Balances in a half size up. Apart from the 990, which I think is a bit weird, but that's neither here nor there. When it comes to the comfort, I feel like this sneaker is trying to do a lot. I can feel a lot of cushioning, I can feel like very locked down support at the heel, whereas when you go along to your toes, I feel like it's a bit tight. But other than that, I really like the look of these sneakers. I can understand why it's a bit tight. I can understand like the cushioning, because essentially these sneakers were built for skating, so you're looking for that impact support. You're looking to offer you support for when you land your tricks, obviously. Other than that, aesthetically, these sneakers really look cool, and if I was skating in them, I can understand the comfort, I can understand its uses, if that makes sense. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. Until next time, peace.